All right, so once again, I came back with another wireless lavalier mic video. This time, it's one of the more expensive microphones. This is the XD UC2. So why is it UC2? Because it uses USB-C for connection, and also it has two transmitters, basically two microphones. So that's why it's called a UC2. I really have to thank Comica for sending all these products to me, because it really does help my channel grow and also provide all these contents for you guys. Oh shit. That did not happen. Now, before we head on to the unboxing of this video, let's roll the intro first. Alright, so we're back. I'm gonna just read off the specs overview of this microphone first before I head on to the unboxing. But if you guys want to skip it, do head down to the comments below and just see where you can skip to that chapter. So first off, we have 2.4 gigahertz of digital wireless connection. So it's Wi-Fi, and also dual transmitters. So we get two microphones. I've actually reviewed a single transmitter version of this, but using not USB-C, but it's a 3.5 millimeter jack, so it connects directly to my camera. This one, I believe it works with smartphones mainly. So if you guys are smartphone video creators, I think this is a really good alternative. If you guys use iPad also, that also works. But who uses iPad for video creation? It gives you visual power. What does that mean? Audio dynamic monitor, and also other display functions. So I think it's really just the monitors on the transmitters that it provides all the information, the gain, the audio level, if it's clipping or not, if it's recording in stereo or mono, that kind of stuff. It also has internal and also external mic. So these transmitters, they're actually a combo unit. So it's all in one, transmitter or microphone, or microphone. So if you guys don't want to use this microphone right here, you can use an external microphone. So you can use a lavalier mic that you clip onto your t-shirt, and also put this transmitter into your pocket or something, so you can hide it, because these are not exactly that small. So if you clip it onto your t-shirt with these transmitters, it's going to be quite noticeable. But if you use a small lavalier mic, it's going to be a lot more stealth. We also got mono and also stereo switchable output modes. So I've probably mentioned in my previous video that you can record into separate channels. So in case if you start clipping on one channel, you do get a safety backup channel. That is a really useful feature. Anyway, so there is a real-time audio monitoring. My Zoom H6 also has that kind of capability. So if you're singing, if you're well, it doesn't have to be singing, but if you want to monitor your audio, you can always put plug a headphone in, and you can hear what exactly you're recording into. Basically, you can check if it's too loud or too soft, if it's capturing any sort of ambient noise. We've also got broadcasting quality audio, so that's great audio quality. We've got RF technology, audio frequency adjustment, stable transmission, low latency, 20 milliseconds, and also working range up to 50 meters. So that's all the way from my building to the next building, right there, 50 meters. We've also got designed for multifunctional belt clip and compact. That's basically saying you can clip the microphone onto your belt, onto your pants, that kind of stuff. And they also provide all the accessories inside. Bet you guys have been waiting for a long time. By the way, this unit sells for about $325. So if you guys want some sort of great audio quality, if you're doing interviews, if you're doing some sort of talk shows, this is the perfect solution for that. Now, let's unbox it. Push it out. I've actually unboxed this before because I filmed another video, but then that one was actually out of focus, so that was a fail video. This is a remake of that. I was gonna give you guys some sort of ASMR sound too, but the plastic was already unwrapped, so no more for you guys. Anyway, so here we go. Yeah, I opened it right. So we've got First off, we got the, actually I can just take the entire thing out. I don't need to separate it. This is exactly what it looks like inside. First layer of product. So we got two transmitters on the side, and also the middle is the receiver. So as you can see, it's USB-C connection. And also the transmitters are actually similar to my Boom XT1. So I wonder if I can use these transmitters along with that receiver, so I can connect that to my camera instead of using this USB-C transmitter, which I think it only works with smartphones. We'll test that out. I'll let you know if it works. That will actually benefit me by a lot. So this thing is basically clipping onto your either your hot shoe on your camera, or basically you can clip it onto your shirt or your belt. This thing right here is the microphone. We've also got a 3.5mm jack, so you can put a microphone lavalier mic or any sort of other mic into it. Also got USB-C charging on the side. USB-C charging. And we've also got a mute button and also the pair button. Inside we've got a manual, which you probably don't need. And then we've also got, I believe this is the microphone. So these are the lavalier mics that it comes with. And also wind muffs, and also the other microphone. That's really good. They provided basically 4 microphones in total, if you include the transmitter microphones, which is also pretty good. And lastly, we've got more cables, like the USB-C cables and also the connection cable. Oh, by the way, I think this actually works with computers too. So not only smartphones, it actually works with any USB-C port. So that's basically it for the unboxing video. If you guys want to know more about this product, you can always head down to the link below. Those are my affiliate links. If you guys want to support this channel, you can always click into it. But that is totally optional. Just letting you guys know that I am getting a little bit of commission if you guys buy from those links. But other than that, if you guys like this video, please give me a subscribe and also give me a like. And also, if you guys want to know more, comment down below on what you want me to test it against, because I do have, I think, 7 or 8 other pairs of wireless lavalier mics that I basically have sitting at home. And if you guys want to hear a sound test, stay tuned for the next video and hit that bell icon so you don't miss it, okay? And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.